Today I'm going to share you the business opportunity that at what price you can buy and at what price you can sell and make millions of dollars sitting in India. Even if you're a job seeker, working professional, entrepreneur, you can have this e-commerce business as a side hustle. That means whatever you're doing, you continue to do. Start an e-commerce business of musical instruments niche, and I'll be giving you everything as a plug and play model. That means you don't have to invest on buying the product, sourcing, or even having those products with you. Simply, we can do the transactions and we can make some serious profits out of it. Let's explore. So I was searching in Amazon.com. That's the global site. And you can see that many of these products, 800 people have purchased this thing. Many of these things are manufactured in India. Many of these things I can get you the suppliers. 1,000 people buying a $30 thing, $30,000 is a straightforward business which you can do just from selling something. This is for just kids. Same way, if you see, even if you have 20, 30 different type of products like this, and if you're able to make sales, I'm not saying that you have to sell on Amazon. There are many more sites like this. This is Shruti Box. This is mainly used when people start doing classical or Hindustani this music practices. So they need these kind of things. But then it is not just India. Across the globe, these people are buying them. Same if you see this, many more things are there. People are buying in Lazada. People are buying in Rakuten, that is in Japan. So it's not just India. This is Dubai market. That means these people are now buying products which are mainly musical instruments, and you can sell these things using your own e-commerce store. You can make $1 million business in this. What I'm going to guide you with is basically a ready-made plug-and-play business opportunity where you can get started with the plug-and-play business of e-commerce, where you can export musical instruments from India. There are many manufacturers who are doing really great, and there are different type of musical instruments which you can see here in this list. So I'll be giving you the list of suppliers. I will also teach you how to find suppliers. I will also teach you one more very interesting thing, that is how do we build our e-commerce store from scratch, and how do we do digital marketing so that people can purchase from your website directly. That means you don't have to depend on any marketplace like Amazon, for example, or you don't have to depend on any third party affiliate. You can have your own website, you can do digital marketing, you can directly sell and make profits. You yourself know that a lot of these products are not even branded. They are just like, nice music, and people buy, people like it, they will keep buying from you. In terms of export, the opportunity is big because these products are just something which are in the mainstream media, that people want to buy violins and for example, these kind of instruments or guitar accessories. But what do you actually sell is a lot of original musical instruments and also accessories of these main instruments which people keep buying. Because if you see musical instrument strings, people who are guitarists, they know that the guitar strings keep breaking. So you regularly need to replace them. So same way, if you see many other instruments, accessories, you can purchase and you can sell also. But what I'm recommending is just list them and let the manufacturer do this. You don't have to buy or sell also. So if you keep doing this business for the next 2-3 years properly, I'm very sure that you can make great amount of profit. I was showing you that in Amazon, people are just buying single product itself at a price in such a way like $30,000, which means if you multiply about 20 to 23 lakh rupees of monthly profits you can generate from selling a lot of these musical instruments online. So easy business, simple business, and you can just customize your own e-commerce store. Everything is there with me as plug and play model. You just have to get started. That is your decision. So if you want to get out of this 9 to 5 job where you are stuck in your life, or maybe you are doing some business and you want to get into something new, I think getting into an e-commerce business, especially in export, selling products globally, is the best opportunity in today's time. So what you get? Now let me tell you everything is step by step. This is the all-in-one program. Everything is included. You get the plug and play store builder, you get the mentorship, you get the buyer's database, and you also get to learn about how to get this buyer's database from doing digital marketing. So I have made sure that all 17 modules, whatever is required to learn about e-commerce and digital marketing, every single thing is covered in this. I have not left anything. Every single thing, whether it is about global trade, this is in creation with Alibaba Group, whether you learn about security management or you want to learn about retail e-commerce, that means selling on Amazon, for example. For this, I've got Amazon. For the above program, I've got Alibaba. I've got the top companies to actually create the program content and give it for you. Now, this entire thing where you're learning digital marketing, deeply you are going to learn about digital marketing, content creation, marketing automation, growth hacking, how to do search engine optimization. That means getting in the top of Google search. So as an entrepreneur, it is important that you learn all these things so that you are having the complete clarity on where you are going to take your business. And this way, you are also getting not just the course or learning, but also you're getting certification. You're not getting one, but you're getting 17 certification. And since you're an entrepreneur, you have to build a successful business. I'm going to give this entire training with the full practical approach. Online 100% live interactive training where you can learn how to build your e-commerce store from scratch. So if you can see, this is my own store that I'm showing you right now. And as you see, this is a store, and there are many different softwares and tools which are already integrated in this. So everything you're going to learn practically on this, even how to do marketing, how to work on different types of tools which are integrated in this. And all these things will give you an hands-on practical learning experience. And with this, you're also going to get recorded contents so that you can get all this information from our library, like ebooks and white papers and case studies, infographics, audios and visual formats of content, so that you can have real-time understanding of the entire e-commerce business from scratch. Everything that I'm talking about is going to be updated for not just once, but for lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. That means once you start learning, you will be able to keep getting the updates from our side. We also do live classes according to the new updates, whatever is happening in the market. We make sure that every week, once or twice, we keep doing this sessions, and there will be WhatsApp channel where you can access and you can learn from us. So the video-based training and the instructor-led training are from subject matter experts who are actually going to give you the best of the best guidance. We have some of the best subject matter experts who are going to guide you about different things of e-commerce business opportunities. So whether you're a student, working professional, entrepreneur, business owner, this is the most holistic type of program that I would say you can get. We have been in news and we have been getting a great amount of positive reviews from the student. So my humble request is to think of investing in a business which is going to give you great returns. And this e-commerce business, especially the export business, is going to be the life-changing opportunity for you. So what I'm giving you mentorship, I'm giving you plug-and-play store builder. The one in which you can actually make great amount of profit is the store builder, where I'm giving you the store builder, I'm giving you the complimentary access of buyers database, and I'm also giving you mentorship, which is an ongoing thing. So everything included in this amount, you can get access. In this plug and play business, you're also getting access to the mentorship program. Okay, one thing to tell you, in mentorship, I'm giving you mentorship plus a store builder. It will be a store builder which is with you, and you can start practicing this, and it comes with lifetime of access so that you can keep learning and you can keep building the e-commerce store. The e-commerce store is something which you're getting complimentary for a time being, but the access of the content is always with you in terms of mentorship. Coming to the ready-made plug and play store builder, all the informations, whatever we have given above, and you can just go through it. And if you need more information, we can always schedule a call. So this is the automated e-com startup business opportunity that I'm talking about. And this can be a life-changing opportunity. As I told, that one single product, if you're able to sell, you're making good amount of profits every single month. Even these kind of things, you are making good amount of monthly sales. So even if you have one inventory that is doing about 200 to 300 monthly sales, I think that's a great amount of revenue you can generate. And the global market is huge. E-commerce is growing. And with the trend that I'm seeing right now, e-commerce is going to be multi-trillion-dollar business. Everyone is going to use e-commerce. So why not start your own e-commerce business and get into a business which can run for lifetime? So join us today and build your successful e-commerce export career with Indian Institute of E-commerce. Thank you.